Today, I intend to educate you in the fine art of how to score lure coursing. There are two methods of scoring. First, the method by the American Sighthound Field Association, commonly referred to as ASFA. Then the method used by the AKC, which is similar but less interesting since each category is awarded the same number of points. Under ASFA, dogs are awarded 25 points for speed, 25 points for agility, 20 points for endurance, and 15 points each for follow and enthusiasm. Speed is defined as how fast the dog covers the course. However, judges are not fooled by the many shortcuts the dogs take, so it is often not the dog that finishes first that gets the highest score in speed. Here, you can see the dog in yellow, Ducati, demonstrating speed by passing the dog in pink on the far side. Next, there is agility. This is also called nimbleness and refers to how well the dog makes quick turns and changes directions. Here, we can see Molly in pink making quick turns and keeping pace with Guinness in yellow. Endurance, or stamina, is the ability to maintain pace and focus throughout the run. Sterling shows his stamina on this run by coming in hard for the finish. The judges score follow on how well the dog tracks the lure's path. This is where Guinness usually excels. He is in yellow and makes a straight path right for the lure. Finally, there is enthusiasm, and this is usually the hardest to judge. It is defined as how eagerly the dog starts and shows interest in the lure. Dogs are neither given points nor penalized for hopping around like a caffeine-infected squirrel before the lure is released. Enthusiasm needs to be shown during the race. Here, Isla shows her interest in the lure as she comes in hard and makes a nice kill. The huntmaster may get upset at having to re-tie the bags, but many judges like to see that kill. Things like stopping during a run to pose for a picture or to take a dump will result in a point deduction. Now, if you were paying attention to the points and are capable of first-grade math, you know that the maximum points for ASFA will be 100 points, and that is per run, per judge. 50 points and above is a qualifying score. And although each judge is different, in my experience, around 75 points indicates a good, solid run. More than 75 points usually indicates that the dog did something extremely well. The total possible points for AKC is 50 points, with 25 being a qualifying score. Well, that should give you just enough knowledge to be a complete annoyance to the other owners and certainly the judges. That being said, please treat the judges with the utmost of respect. They have a difficult job and they do their best. Without them, we would not have these events. Remember that your dogs do not care about the points, they just love the thrill of the chase.